everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 4B from chapter Linear Inequations. So starting with question number 17. Given A is a set of all x such that x is greater than -1 and less than or equal to 5, where x belongs to R, and B is a set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to -4 and less than 3, where x belongs to R, that is set of real numbers. Represent on different number lines, first part A intersection B, second part A dash intersection B, and third part A minus B. So we have to plot these on the number lines, different number lines, okay. First part है A intersection B. What is intersection? Intersection is common, okay. A and B में common क्या है? So all that will be included in the set of A intersection B. So let us see what will be in the set of A intersection B. For that, first we'll write down set A and set B. ठीक है? So A is x such that -1 is less than x is less than or equal to 5, where x belongs to R. B, x such that -4 is less than or equal to x is less than 3 and x belongs to R. Now A intersection B के लिए we need the range of x. क्या होगा? Common values क्या होगा A and B में? So what are you going to do? दोनों को compare करते हैं, okay? First x is greater than, okay? Greater than के लिए I have told you to consider greater value. Greater value. So -1 or -4, which is greater? For negative we know -1 will be greater than -4. है ना? -4 is more negative, -1 is less negative. So -1 will be greater than -4. So you will consider this range for greater than. And less than के लिए you will consider lesser value. Okay, less than के लिए lesser value. So x is less than or equal to 5 and x is less than 3. Which one is lesser value? Smaller value? 3 or 5? 3. So 3. So जो भी वैल्यू लिया है उसके साथ जो साइन है एसोसिएटेड है वही लेना है. -1 के साथ ये वाला साइन एसोसिएटेड है, 3 के साथ ये साइन एसोसिएटेड है. यू आर गोइंग टू टेक दैट ओनली. इजी, वेरी इजी. ओके, सो A intersection B is a set of all x where x is greater than -1 and less than 3. ये दो वैल्यूज लिया है, greater than -1 and less than 3. For greater than you will consider greater value, less than you will consider lesser value. Intersection के लिए that is and, okay. If they don't give you intersection, if they say that A and B का कुछ common find out करना है, so whenever they give and, it is intersection, okay, common. So this where x belongs to R, दोनों के लिए real numbers ही है, okay. So this will be the range of x. We need to plot it on the number line. So this is the first part. A intersection B on the number line क्या होगा? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, okay. -1 to 3 का रेंज है. सो -1 को सर्कल कर दो, 3 को सर्कल कर दो, एंड इन बिटवीन एनी वैल्यू इज पॉसिबल. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेंसिल एंड स्केल यू विल डार्कन द लाइन, थिक कर दो लाइन को, ओके. वेरी नीट वर्क स्टूडेंट्स. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट योर वर्क शुड बी नीट, ओके, एंड ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम इट शुड बी अंडरस्टैंडेबल, ओके. सो ये वाला पार्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इन बिटवीन एनी वैल्यू इज पॉसिबल, ओके. सो -1 and 3 आई हैव n circled. आर यू गोइंग टू फिल इट? नो, बिकॉज -1 को इक्वल भी नहीं है एंड इसको भी इक्वल नहीं है. इक्वल होता तो वी वुड फिल इट बिकॉज दैट वुड बी इंक्लूडेड, बट हियर दिस इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. सो वील कीप दिस एज इट इज. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, A dash intersection B. In second part of question we need to find out A dash intersection B. So that is common elements of A dash and B. क्या common range है? So उसके लिए I need to know A dash का range क्या है. We know A का range, we know B का range. So A dash का range find out करना है. So let's see how you'll find out A dash. Whatever is there in A, okay, it will not be there in A dash, okay. A में है वो A dash में नहीं होगा. Besides that, everything else will be there. So how will you find out? Very easy method. A उसका रेंज हम लोग स्प्लिट कर देते हैं, फर्स्ट ग्रेटर दैन देन लेस दैन. ओके, सो x इज ग्रेटर दैन -1. ओके, a डैश में ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा, ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. सो x will be less than -1. just reverse this sign, सिर्फ साइन को रिवर्स कर दो. ओके, x was greater than -1, it became less than -1. is there an equal to sign below? नहीं है, then put equal to sign. अगर नहीं है तो put, and if there is an equal to sign, don't put the sign. okay, so reverse the sign and check equality sign है या नहीं है. now the other range, x is less than or equal to 5. so x is less than or equal to 5. a dash में क्या हो जाएगा? this is rough work part students, this is for rough work. so reverse the sign. x is less than or equal to 5, it will be greater than 5. below that there is an equality sign, so you will not put the sign over here. okay, यहाँ पे equal to है तो यहाँ पे equal to नहीं आएगा, opposite करना है. okay, so reverse the sign and check if equality sign is there, don't put, and if it is not there, put. okay, so ये range मिल गया a dash का. we got the range, so we'll write down the set. a dash is a set of all x such that x का range is x is greater than 5 and less than or equal to -1. okay, where x belongs to R. all right, so this is the range of x for a dash. now we'll find a dash intersection b, but before that a dash का range एक बार check करते हैं. okay, we got x is greater than 5 and less than or equal to -1. so is this a continuous set? continuous है क्या? let us see. a dash में is 0 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3. x is greater than 5, so 5 से greater value हो सकता है, and less than or equal to -1, so -1 से less than or equal to. you can see this is like this, in between का part नहीं है. okay, so we have clubbed it together, एक साथ लिख लिया है, but it is not continuous. okay, in between it is like this, empty part है. so over here you cannot just follow कि greater than कौन सा number होगा, less than कौन सा number होगा. no, you need to check once. okay, b का range क्या है? so we'll just draw a rough number line and see what will be the range of b. -4 to 3 है, so 0 -1 -2 -3 -4 1 2 3 4 5. so -4 to 3 है, -4 to 3. okay, where 3 is not included, and यहाँ पे -1 is included but 5 is not included. okay, now यहाँ पे common क्या है? let us see common क्या है. over here 3 से -4 है. okay, and यहाँ पे 3 तो included है ही नहीं, 3 तो है ही नहीं. okay, so -1 से है, -1 से इन्फिनिटी तक जा रहा है, नेगेटिव इन्फिनिटी तक जा रहा है, एंड पॉजिटिव में इफ यू सी 3 तक ही है, एंड यहाँ पे 5 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कंसिडर ओनली बिकॉज यहाँ पे कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. कैन यू सी एनीथिंग कॉमन ओवर हियर? 3 से चेक करो. ओके, आई हैव नॉट ड्रॉन प्रॉपरली, 3 के नीचे होना चाहिए. सो यहाँ पे 3 तक रेंज है, एंड यहाँ पे 3 4 तो आता ही नहीं है रेंज में, 5 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो यहाँ पे इट इज स्टॉपिंग एट 3. इज 3 देयर, 2 देयर, 1 देयर? नो, नथिंग इज देयर. यहाँ पे इट इज फ्रॉम -4 to 3 एंड यहाँ पे -1 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो -1 इज इंक्लूडेड ओवर हियर, -1 से है. ओके, सो -1 इज देयर यहाँ से. ओके, -1 ऑनवर्ड्स, एंड यहाँ पे इन्फिनिटी तक जा रहा है, यहाँ पे -4 पे स्टॉप हो रहा है. सो यूल कंसिडर -1 to -4 इज द कॉमन रेंज फॉर बोथ. दिस इज फॉर a डैश एंड दिस इज फॉर b. -1 से -4 का रेंज कॉमन है. ओके, ये तो इन्फिनिटी तक जा रहा है, बट -4 तक यहाँ पे वैल्यूज कॉमन है. ओके, सो चेक द साइंस. ओके, चेक द साइंस. यहाँ पे -1 इज इंक्लूडेड. ओके, यहाँ पे भी इंक्लूडेड है बिकॉज ये तो 3 तक जा रहा है. सो -1 इज इंक्लूडेड. सो x विल बी लेस देन और इक्वल टू -1 एंड ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू -4 बिकॉज यहाँ पे -4 इंक्लूडेड है एंड यहाँ पे बाई डिफॉल्ट इंक्लूडेड है बिकॉज ये तो इन्फिनिटी तक जा रहा है. ओके, so it will be ranging from -4 to -1 and -4 and -1 both are included. यहाँ पे -1 included है, यहाँ पे भी included है, यहाँ पे -4 included है, यहाँ पे भी included है. It should be included in both, only then you can take equal to, otherwise you cannot take equal to. Okay, so we'll plot it on the number line. Before that we need to write down A dash intersection B. So A dash intersection B is what? Set of all x such that x is ranging from -4 to -1 and -4 and -1 are included. Okay, because -1 इसमें भी included है and -1 इसमें भी included है ना. ये सेट में देखो -1 आ ही जाएगा in between वैल्यू में and यहाँ पे -4 है. So यहाँ पे it is less than or equal to -1, so it will be included over here, है ना. It will be included over here. So -4 to -1 is the range over here where x belongs to R. So draw this on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So -4 to -1, these values will be included. Okay, so circle and fill the circle, and in between you will draw a thick line with the help of pencil and scale. Okay, your diagram should be very neat. Just write down A dash intersection B is equal to this. Okay, for third part we need to find A minus B. What is A minus B? What is A minus B? All those elements, all those numbers which are present in A but not present in B. जो भी माइनस है वो प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा. So elements that are present in A but not present in B. So A minus B is numbers present in A but not in B. Okay, A में होगा लेकिन B में नहीं होना चाहिए. So if there are any common elements between A and B, you will remove those. Okay, कोई भी common numbers होगा तो you will remove those. So let's see what will be A minus B का set. Let us see. A is ranging from -1 to 5. So I'll draw a rough number line, easy to understand. Okay, -1, -2, sorry, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So -1 to 5 का रेंज है where -1 is not included and यहाँ पे 5 is included. B के लिए we have -4 to 3. So this is a bigger number line. So 3, I'm writing -4 over here, okay, after -2 because I don't have enough space. So -4 से लेके -4 भी included है, 3 तक है where 3 is not included. Okay, so A में होगा ये elements but B में नहीं होगा. Which are these elements? So over here check the range. Okay, so A and B में these are common. This is the common range. Okay, so common you are not going to include. It should be there in A but not be there in B. B का elements नहीं include करेंगे. So A का यही range आएगा, only this range, because only this range is there in A but not there in B. B में नहीं है. So 3 to 5. Okay, 3 to 5. So x such that x is greater than 3 and less than 5. Now very important part. B में, okay, B में it is less than 3. Is 3 included? No, it is not included. Since it is not included, you can include it in A. है ना, A में तो 3 आता ही है, so it will be greater than or equal to 3. Very important, students. If you forget this part, your answer is going wrong. Okay, so ध्यान से देखो. Okay, A का जो एलिमेंट्स है वो कंसिडर करना है, लेकिन B में वो नहीं होना चाहिए, कॉमन कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. सो A एंड B का जो भी कॉमन है निकाल दो, B का दूसरा एलिमेंट्स भी निकाल दो, जितना भी B का एलिमेंट्स है सब निकाल दो. ओनली रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स ऑफ A. सो रिमेनिंग नंबर्स यही है. 3 तो A में इंक्लूडेड है. इज इट इंक्लूडेड इन B? नो, नॉट इंक्लूडेड. यू कैन सी ओवर हियर ओनली. एनसर्कल किया है. ओके, सो इट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन B, सो यू हैव टू इंक्लूड इट इन A minus B. ओके, एंड लेस दैन 5, लेस दैन और इक्वल टू 5 भी है. ओके, A में इक्वल टू 5 है, सो यू विल कंसिडर दिस. A का एलिमेंट्स लेना है, B का नहीं लेना है. सो इट इज ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू 3 एंड लेस दैन और इक्वल टू 5 वेयर X बिलोंग्स टू R. Okay, so plot this on the number line. A minus B, 3 to 5 है, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, 3 से 5 का रेंज है, and in between any value is possible. 3 and 5 both are included, so fill the circle. Okay, so this is the plotting. Let's read the next question. Question number 18. P is the solution set of 7x minus 2 greater than 4x plus 1, and Q is the solution set of 9x minus 45 greater than or equal to 5 into x minus 5, where x belongs to R. Represent first part P intersection Q, second part P minus Q, third part P intersection Q dash on different number lines. P is solution set of this inequation and Q is the solution set of this inequation. So first you need to solve the inequation. Find out करना पड़ेगा range क्या है. Okay. So let us solve first. All right. So P के लिए ये है. Okay. So we'll write down for P 7x minus 2 is greater than 4x plus 1. And x belongs to the set of real numbers. It is given x belongs to R. Okay, we'll solve this. So 7x minus 4x हो जाएगा, shifting this over here, greater than 1 as it is, shifting 2 over here. So 3x is greater than 3, that is x is greater than 3 by 3, that is x is greater than 1. ठीक है. For P we are getting this where x belongs to R. So what will be the solution set for P? It will be set of all x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than 1. Very easy. Okay, same thing for Q. For Q we'll solve same way. So I'll solve it over here. For Q we are given 9x minus 45 is greater than or equal to 5 into x minus 5. So first we'll open the brackets. Okay, so and यहाँ पे लिख देना x belongs to R. All right, put a semicolon and x belongs to R. 9x as it is and अच्छा हाँ अभी ये तो ऐसे ही रखेंगे, इसको ओपन करते हैं पहले. 5x minus 25 हो जाएगा. So shifting 5x over here, 9x minus 5x is greater than or equal to 45. Shift करेंगे, it becomes positive, minus 25 as it is. So 4x is greater than or equal to 20, that is x is greater than or equal to 20 by 4, that is x is greater than or equal to 5 हो जाएगा. Okay, where x belongs to R. So Q सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे बिकॉज x बिलोंग्स टू द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. यहाँ पे भी इट बिलोंग्स टू द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, सो यू राइट इट इन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. सो x such that x belongs to R and the condition part x is greater than or equal to 5. Now we got the sets P and Q. Now we'll find out first part, second part and third part. First part में we need to find P intersection Q, that is common. P and Q में common क्या है? So P we have x greater than 1 and यहाँ पे x greater than or equal to 5. Okay, so I'll just draw a rough number line for P and Q. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. यहाँ पे 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is greater than or equal to 5 for Q. It is greater than or equal to, so 5 is included. 5 से greater कुछ भी हो सकता है. यहाँ पे greater than 1, so 1 से greater. 1 is not included. P and Q में common क्या है? What is the common part? You can see यहाँ पे it is there, but यहाँ पे there are no values. So 5 से value start हो रहा है, so 5 से you can consider common, है ना? 5 से common consider कर सकते हैं. Where 5 is also included. Q में 5 is included and P में by default included है because 1 से ही start हो रहा है. Greater than 1 है, not 1 is included. Greater than 1 है, so 5 is included. So this will be the solution. Okay, common part ये होगा, x is greater than or equal to 5. So 5 and 5 से ज़्यादा वाला number सारा included है because this is continuous. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to 5 is common for both P and Q. Okay, so now we'll write down P intersection Q and plot it on the number line. One more way to look at this is x is greater than 1. Okay, and यहाँ पे भी x is greater than or equal to -5. So दोनों में greater than है. Okay, so for greater than you always consider greater number. Which number will you consider? 1 or 5? 5. 5 is the greater number. So this will be the value, है ना? So as long as it is continuous, discontinuous नहीं होना चाहिए students. For previous one we had discontinuous. So discontinuous होगा, वहाँ पे ये rule apply नहीं होता है. Okay, एक range है and then दूसरा range है, उसके लिए नहीं apply होता है. But if you have continuous, then you can use this logic. यहाँ पे भी greater than है, यहाँ पे भी greater than है, तो greater number कौन सा है वो consider करो. Okay, so this one will be the solution. So P intersection Q will be set of all x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than or equal to 5. We'll plot this on the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -1, -2. Greater than or equal to 5. So 5 is included, x is equal to 5 and greater than that. So with the help of pencil and scale, darken the line, thick कर दो line को and you'll fill the circle because 5 is included over here. Okay, so this will be the solution for P intersection Q. So I forgot to write down over here, just write down P intersection Q is equal to this. Okay, now moving on to the second part, P minus Q. P minus Q क्या होगा? P minus Q है, so elements of P will be included but they should not be there in Q. So P and Q का जो भी common है, okay, Q का basically जो भी elements है वो minus हो जाएगा. All the elements of P minus all the elements of Q. Simple. Okay, so P, I'll draw again. P is starting from 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 से start हो रहा है and Q is starting from 5. So Q is starting from 5. 5 is included. So P का elements is this, that is numbers are this and Q का ये है 5 से है. So P का consider करना है but उसमें Q नहीं आना चाहिए, Q का numbers नहीं आना चाहिए. Q का number कहाँ से start होता है? 5 से. So this part से you will not consider. P का यहाँ से यहाँ वाला range हम लोग consider करेंगे. Simple. Okay, P का यहाँ से यहाँ का range consider करेंगे. So 1 से लेके 5 तक. Okay, so x will be greater than 1. Will it be equal to 1? No. P में it is not equal to 1. Okay, so you're considering P over here. Okay, P को consider कर रहे. So it is greater than 1, not equal to. Okay, P को check करो. It is greater than 1, not equal to. And 1 से ज़्यादा infinite values है. But over here 5 से Q start हो रहा है, so 5 तक ही हो सकता है, 1 से लेके 5 तक. Will 5 be included? No, it will not be included because it is included in Q. q में it is equal to 5, so you cannot take this over here because you are taking p minus q का एलिमेंट सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. So it will be less than 5, greater than 1 and less than 5. Okay, so write down the set x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than 1, less than 5. So plot this on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2. So 1 to 5 है. Circle 1, circle 5, in between values होगा. Will you fill the circles? No, because 1 and 5 are not included. Okay, so this will be the plotting on the number line for p minus q. So write down p minus q is equal to this. Now coming to the last part, p intersection q dash. Last part is p intersection q dash. P intersection q dash will be the common elements, that is the common numbers of p and q dash, है ना? Common numbers of p and q dash. So that is q dash consists of all those numbers which are not there in q. Okay, which are not there in q. So basically you are finding the numbers which are present in p and not present in q. यही है वो, numbers present in p but not present in q. So p minus q is nothing but p intersection q dash, same ही मिलेगा. Okay, so for p intersection q dash same plotting होगा. So let us solve again. Let us see how we are going to get this. p intersection q dash के लिए I need q dash. So q dash क्या होगा? x such that x belongs to R and q dash में all those elements will be there which are not there in q. So for q x is greater than or equal to 5. Reverse कर दो sign को. Okay, reverse the inequality sign. So it is greater than or equal to, you will write less than 5. यहाँ पे equal to है, so you will not put equal to over here. Okay, so first thing you will reverse the sign, greater than है less than कर दो, and if there is an equal to sign don't put, and if there is no equal to sign put over here. Okay, so this will be the solution for q dash. p intersection q dash find out करना है. So p intersection q dash क्या होगा? रेंज क्या हो जाएगा p intersection q dash? x is greater than 1 and less than 5. Okay, so 1 to 5 का रेंज आ जाएगा, सिंपल. Okay, x is greater than 1 and less than 5. p के लिए greater than 1 and q dash के लिए less than 5. So x is greater than 1 and less than 5. Okay, so the number line for p intersection q dash, draw. 1 to 5 का रेंज है, सेम थिंग एज वी गॉट इन p माइनस q, सेम मिल रहा है. ओके, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2. 1 to 5 का रेंज है, वे 1 and 5 आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड, एंड इन बिटवीन कुछ भी वैल्यू हो सकता है. सो दिस इज द प्लॉटिंग ऑन द नंबर लाइन फॉर p intersection q dash. Coming to next question, question number 19. If p is set of all x such that 7x minus 4 is greater than 5x plus 2 where x belongs to R, and q is set of all x such that x minus 19 is greater than or equal to 1 minus 3x where x belongs to R, find the range of set p intersection q and represent it on a number line. So p and q के लिए we are given two inequations. We need to solve and find out what is the range for p and q. Okay, once you get p and q, we need to find out p intersection q and plot it on the number line. Okay, so let us find p and q first. So for p we are given the inequation 7x minus 4 is greater than 5x plus 2. We'll solve this. Okay, where x belongs to R. So 7x as it is, 5x को shift करते हैं minus 5x, greater than 2 as it is, 4 को shift करते हैं, it will become plus 4. So 2x is greater than 6, that is x is greater than 6 by 2, that is x is greater than 3. Okay, this is what we are getting, x is greater than 3 for p. So set क्या हो जाएगा, x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than 3. Same thing for Q. Okay, so for Q I'll write the same thing. For Q we are given x minus 19 is greater than or equal to minus 3x. Same way में solve करना है. So shifting 3x over here, on the other side it becomes positive. 3x plus x is greater than or equal to 1 plus 19. Here x belongs to R, so don't forget to write this part. Okay, यहाँ पे भी write down. Once you get the range, write down x belongs to R. So 4x is greater than or equal to 20, that is x is greater than or equal to 20 by 4, that is x is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, where x belongs to R. Okay, so Q क्या हो जाएगा, set of all x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than or equal to 5. So we got for P and Q. We need to find out P intersection Q, that is common क्या है P and Q में. For common it's very easy, there is one trick. Greater than देखो, greater than 3 and greater than or equal to 5, दोनों में greater than ही दिया, less than or anything is not given, so it is even easier. Greater than 3 and greater than or equal to 5. For greater than you always consider the greater number. So 3 and 5 में कौन सा greater number है, 5. So 5 के साथ जो साइन है यही वाला कंसिडर करेंगे. ओके, जो भी साइन वो नंबर के साथ एसोसिएटेड है वही कंसिडर होगा. सो x इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 5 will be for P intersection Q. Okay, so P intersection Q is set of all x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, I'll just explain this with the help of number line. P 3 से greater है. Okay, Q जो है it is greater than or equal to 5, 3, 4, 5. So you can see 3 to 5 ये part uncommon है, non-common है. Okay, ये part non-common है, ये P में है but ये Q में नहीं है, 3 to 5 वाला range. Whereas this 5 से both are having common range. So you'll consider x greater than or equal to 5. Alright. So students, this applies for continuous. Okay, continuous set होना चाहिए, continuous plotting on the number line. Discontinuous के लिए ये rule apply नहीं होता है. Okay, so greater than or equal to 5 we'll plot it on the number line. So write down P intersection Q is equal to 5 से start हो रहा है. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3. So consider one more number. So 5 is included. Okay, equal to 5 है, so circle and fill the dot. Fill कर दो पूरा circle को. So greater than or equal to 5. This is the plotting on the number line for P intersection Q. With question number 20. Find the range of values of x which satisfy -1 by 3 less than or equal to x by 2 plus 1 2 by 3 less than 5 1 by 6. Graph in each of the following cases the values of x on the different real number lines. First part x belonging to W, second part x belonging to Z and third part x belonging to R. Inequation दिया है, we need to solve the inequation. Okay. First part is solving the inequation, second is solution set and third one is plotting on the number line. So first we'll solve this. Then there are 3 different cases given. Okay, first one is when x belongs to the set of whole numbers, W is whole numbers. Second part is Z, Z is integers, Z or I is integers. In second case it belongs to the set of integers and third it belongs to the set of real numbers. So 3 different cases है. In 3 different cases what will be the plotting on the number line we need to find out. Okay, so first we need to solve this, then we'll consider the 3 different cases. So let's write down the inequality. minus 1 by 3 is less than or equal to x by 2 plus 1 2 by 3 less than 5 1 by 6. दो inequality sign है, so what we will do? First part and second part. Okay, we'll split it and then again combine. So minus 1 by 3 is less than or equal to x by 2 plus 1 2 by 3 and x by 2 plus 1 2 by 3 is less than 5 1 by 6. Okay. First we'll solve the mixed fraction. यहाँ पे भी mixed fraction है. So solve the mixed fraction and then do the shifting part. So minus 1 by 3 is less than or equal to x by 2 plus 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3. And over here 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3 less than 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1 31 by 6. Okay. So minus 1 by 3, shifting this over here on the other side, minus 5 by 3 हो जाएगा, less than or equal to x by 2 and x by 2 as it is, we'll shift the number on the other side, less than 31 by 6 as it is, minus 5 by 3. Here we can take common denominator. Okay, same denominator है, so we can take it common. Minus 1 minus 5 less than or equal to x by 2 and x by 2 is less than, here we'll take LCM, so multiply by 2. So 31 by 6 minus 10 by 6. Okay, in next step we'll take common denominator. So in next step we'll get minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 by 3 less than or equal to x by 2 and x by 2 is less than 31 minus 10 by 6. Okay, so 3 2s are, so minus 2 is less than or equal to x by 2 and over here x by 2 is less than 31 minus 10 हो जाएगा 21 by 6. 3 2s are, 3 7s are. Okay, so shifting 2 over here, minus 2 into 2 gives minus 4 less than or equal to x and x is less than 7 by 2 into 2. We are shifting 2 over here, so 2 gets cancelled, so x is less than 7 and over here x is greater than or equal to minus 4. So x का range मिल गया. Okay, it is from minus 4 to 7. It is greater than or equal to minus 4 and less than 7. So we got the range of x. So combine both the solutions. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to minus 4 and less than 7, where x belongs to the set. Okay, here we are given 3 different cases. So यहाँ पे first case अब consider करेंगे where x belongs to the set of whole numbers. What will be the solution set? First we'll find out the solution set and then we'll plot it on the number line. So first condition, we got the range of x, so we'll write down x is greater than or equal to minus 4 and less than 7, where x belongs to set of whole numbers. So what will be the solution set? Now whole numbers starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And x का range क्या है? minus 4 to 7. So are negative numbers there in whole number का set? No. So negative numbers will not be there. And we can start from 0 directly. Okay. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 will not be included. We will start from 0. So 0 से 7 तक का range है. It is less than 7. Is it equal to 7? No. So you cannot take equal to 7. So last value will be 6. Okay. So last value that you can take is 6. After 6 is 7. So 7 is not included. So 0 to 6 का पूरा range है. Okay. So write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No values in between, okay, because these are discrete values. In between कोई भी values नहीं है. Fractions, decimals are not present in the set of whole numbers. So these are the possible values of x. Draw the number line. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 to 6 है. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just have to dot and thick dot करना है, okay? और draw small circles and fill the circles. Dark कर दो पूरा circles को, okay? So these are the only possible values. In between values नहीं है, okay? Because fractions, decimals are not included in the set of whole numbers, and we are choosing the values from whole numbers का set, okay? Now moving on to the second part. Now we'll find the solution set for the second case. So in second case, it belongs to the set of integers. Integers is negative numbers, positive numbers and 0, okay? No fractions, no decimals, no roots, nothing, okay? So only negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. So solution set क्या होगा for x? It starts from -4 and it is up to 7. -4 is included. X is equal to or greater than -4. So -4 belongs to the set of integers, yes. Then -3, then -2, then -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Will we include 7? No, because 7 से equal नहीं है. Okay, it is only less than 7. So only up to 6. So these are the possible values. So plot this on the number line. I've written I, actually it belongs to Z. I नहीं लिखा है, Z लिखा है. So very important, whatever is given, write that only, okay? So you need to draw a bigger number line. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle कर दो and fill the circle, okay? So only these values discrete values हैं, in between का values नहीं है, okay? So this is the plotting on the number line. Now the third case, x belongs to the set of real numbers. So we'll write down the solution set in set builder form, okay? So solution set will be set of all x such that x belongs to R, and now we need to write down the range of x. So x is greater than or equal to -4 and less than 7. So draw the number line. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. -4 से 7 है. So circle -4, circle 7. Okay. So -4 is included over here. Included है. Okay. X can be equal to or greater than -4. So fill the circle. What about 7? It will be less than 7. 6.9999 भी हो सकता है, but not 7. So we'll keep this as it is. Encircled ही रखेंगे. In between any value is possible. Real numbers का set है. So with the help of pencil and scale, darken the line. Okay, पूरा thick line कर दो. All right, and it should be very neat and accurate. Let's read the next question. Question number 21. Given A is set of all x such that -8 is less than 5x plus 2, which is less than or equal to 17, where x belongs to I. B is set of all x such that -2 is less than or equal to 7 plus 3x, which is less than 17, where x belongs to R. Now here R is set of real numbers and I is set of integers. Represent A and B on two different number lines. Write down the elements of A intersection B. It's a very easy question. A के लिए in equation दिया, you need to solve and find out the range of x. Same thing for B, okay? सो ए एंड बी में क्या एलिमेंट्स होगा, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट, वी नीड टू फाइंड द सोल्यूशन सेट फॉर ए एंड बी. आफ्टर दैट we need to represent them on two different number lines. Okay, A को number line पे represent करना है, B को represent करना है. So first thing that you have to do is solve the inequation. Second, you need to find the solution set, and then is the plotting, third part. Also, we need to write down the elements of A intersection B. A and B का common elements क्या है, we need to find out. Okay, so let us solve for A and B first. Okay, so for A, we are given the inequation, so write down minus 8 is less than 5x plus 2, which is less than or equal to 17. We'll separate into two parts. Okay, first this inequality and then this inequality, and then we'll again club it together. So minus 8 is less than 5x plus 2. Okay, and 5x plus 2 is less than or equal to 17. So shifting 2 over here, minus 8 minus 2 is less than 5x, and 5x is less than or equal to 17 minus 2. So minus 10 is less than 5x, and 5x is less than or equal to 15. So shifting 5 on the other side, minus 10 upon 5 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 15 by 5. So minus 2 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 3. This was easy part, students. Okay, सिर्फ solve करना है. Now we'll get the range of x. It is greater than minus 2 and less than or equal to 3. So x is greater than something and less than something, greater than minus 2 and less than or equal to है, so less than or equal to 3. So clubbing it together, so this is the range for x where x belongs to I, that is set of integers. So write down the condition also. Now we'll find the solution set for A. क्या होगा solution set? So what are the possible values for A? X belongs to the set of integers, so negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. Okay, so x is greater than minus 2, minus 2 is not included. minus 2 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा, minus 1. Okay, greater number, greater than minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and up to 3. X can be less than 3 or equal to 3. So minus 2 से greater is minus 1, then comes 0, then comes 1, then 2 and then maximum is 3. We will include 3 because x can be less than 3 or equal to 3. Okay, minus 2 नहीं include किया है because it is not given that it will be equal to minus 2. It is greater than minus 2. Okay, so these are the possible values of A. Okay, now we'll find out the solution set for B. But before that, let us draw the number line. So A on number line, write down A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. So these are the possible values. So draw thick dots, that is basically draw a little circle and fill it. Okay, पूरा dark कर दो because these are the included values. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3 are the values. So this is the solution. In between नहीं होगा कुछ भी. Okay, in between nothing. So this is the plotting of A on number line. Now we'll plot for B. For B, we are given minus 2 is less than or equal to 7 plus 3x, which is less than 17, and x belongs to the set of real numbers. So we'll divide it into two parts, split it into two parts. First this inequality and then this inequality. Then we'll club it together. Okay, so minus 2 is less than or equal to 7 plus 3x, and 7 plus 3x is less than 17. So shifting 7 over here, minus 2 minus 7 is less than or equal to 3x, and 3x एज इट इज रखते हैं, शिफ्टिंग 7 ऑन द अदर साइड, 17 minus 7. So minus 9 is less than or equal to 3x and 3x is less than 10. So minus 9 by 3 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 10 by 3. So we get minus 3 is less than or equal to x, and over here we are getting 10 by 3, so we'll express it in mixed fraction form. So mixed fraction form में क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 3 1 by 3 है ना? Divide 10 by 3, so 3 is 9 and there is a remainder 1. Stop over here. Denominator 3 है, okay? So that denotes this 3 divisor. So quotient जो है वो साइड में आ जाएगा, okay? Denominator as it is, divisor as it is, this quotient will be on the side and remainder in the numerator. Cross check karo, are you getting the previous step again? 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. Okay, so this is a very basic concept, students. You are supposed to know this. Okay, in case you have forgotten, please revise. Range मिल गया है, so x का रेंज क्या है? इट इज ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू -3 एंड लेस दैन 3 1 by 3. So this is the range and x belongs to R. So now we'll write down the solution set. Since it belongs to the set of real numbers, we'll write it in set builder form. Okay, set builder form में लिखेंगे. So B in set builder form क्या हो जाएगा? Will be x such that x belongs to R and condition part. So condition is this: -3 is less than or equal to x is less than 3 1 by 3. This is the condition. Okay, so this will be the set for B. Okay, these are the values of x. Now plotting on the number line. So -3 से 3 1 by 3 है. ओके, सो 0 -1 -2 -3 -4 1 2 3 4. -3 we'll consider this also because x is greater than or equal to -3. Equal to भी है, so we will circle and fill the circle. Okay, and 3 1 by 3 less than 3 1 by 3. So 3 1 by 3 कहाँ पे आएगा? Between 3 and 4. Okay, so 1 by 3 है, that is 3 to 4 is one part. You are dividing it into 3 parts. So divide it into 3 parts. This is first part, this is second part, this is third part. So for 3 1 by 3 is over here. So this. So circle this. You will not fill this, dot नहीं करना है thick. Why? Because it is not equal to 3 1 by 3. It is less than 3 1 by 3. Okay, so any value in between is possible. Real numbers का set है. Okay, any value is possible from -3 to 3 1 by 3. Okay, where 3 1 by 3 is not included. So this is the solution set, that is, this is the plotting on the number line. Okay, for the solution set. Now we need to find A intersection B, that is elements common in A and B both. A ka elements I have already written over here, so I will rewrite over here. It is -1 0 1 2 3. And B ka elements, it ranges from -3 to 3 1 by 3. So what is common between A and B? A intersection B क्या होगा? What elements are present? So A में there are integer values, okay, and B has real number values, that is, it includes all types of numbers that we have studied so far. Okay, excluding imaginary numbers, negative का root exclude करके बाकी सब कुछ है इसमें. So over here there are integers also included from -3 to 3 1 by 3, है ना? So which integer values are possible? -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3. 3 maximum है. Okay, then 3 1 by 3 आता है. So 3 1 by 3 is not an integer value. Then comes 4. So these are the possible values for integer values for b. So a and b में common क्या है? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is entire set of a is common. Okay. So a and b में entire set is common. This set a is common. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you can just write down the elements of a intersection b. So you can write down elements of a intersection b. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay.